Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this session we are going to see a research paper topic which comes under cloud computing. So it is titled as Evaluating the Impact of Cloud Computing on SMES Performance. It is a systematic review and it is written by authors Ayapela Kais and Catlejo D, and it is dated as 11 September 2024. So coming to the introduction, uh, basically the cloud computing, it offers a scalable and cost-effective solutions for small and medium-sized enterprises, and it provides access to variety of services including this storage, software and processing power, all on a pay as you go basis. So the importance is cloud computing, it enables SMEs to overcome the limitations of traditional IT infrastructure by leveraging the cloud based resources, and this is especially beneficial for businesses with limited budgets as they can avoid large upfront cost for hardware and software. And adoption challenges, like however the small and medium enterprises often face economic constraints and limited technical expertise when adopting cloud computing. So additionally, concerns about security, privacy and regulatory compliance can hinder adoption, as businesses must ensure that sensitive data is protected while meeting industry standards. So the main research objectives are, the first is to assess how cloud computing improves performance. So in simple terms, it is like investigate how cloud computing improves operational efficiency, productivity and overall business performance in small and medium enterprises. And the second is identify the adoption factors like cost, efficiency and scalability. So it is like to examine the factors such as cost, efficiency, scalability, and accessibility that influence the small and medium enterprises' decisions to adopt cloud computing. And the last is evaluate long-term impacts on small and medium enterprise operations. So it is like to analyze the long-term benefits and the challenges of the cloud computing on business operations, sustainability and growth in small and medium enterprises. So the cloud computing models, it involves like three models. So the cloud service models like IaaS, which stands for Infrastructure as a Service, it provides virtualized computing resources over the internet, like such as servers, storage, and networking. So users manage the operating systems and applications, while the cloud provider, it handles the infrastructure. And the next is PaaS, which stands for Platform as a Service. It offers a platform that allows the developers to build, test, and deploy applications. So the provider manages the infrastructure while the users focus on the application development. And the next is SaaS. So it stands for Software as a Service. So where the delivers software applications over the internet, it is accessible through a web browser and the provider manages everything from the infrastructure to the software updates. And coming to the deployment models, it involves public, private, and hybrid. So, coming to public cloud, it is services are delivered over the public internet and shared among multiple organizations. So, it is a cost effective but may raise security concerns. And coming to the private cloud, it is dedicated to a single organization, like providing greater control and security. However, it is more expensive to maintain. And coming to hybrid cloud, it combines both public and private cloud elements, offering flexibility to shift workloads between them as needed for efficiency, security, or cost management. So the benefits of cloud computing for small and medium enterprises. So the key advantages are, the first is cost efficiency. It is it reduces upfront investments with the pay as you go model, allowing the small and medium enterprises to manage costs effectively. So the next is scalability. Adjust resources based on demand. Like it easily scale resources based on demand, enabling quick responses to market changes without overspending. And coming to the operational efficiency, so it streamlines the operation, enhances the productivity, and it allows the small and medium enterprises to focus on core business activities instead of IT management. The challenges faced by small and medium enterprises, adoption barriers, so security and privacy concerns. Like limited resources make small and medium enterprises vulnerable to cyber threats, and lack of IT expertise, like many lack in house skills to adopt and maintain new technologies, and high initial migration cost, where the transitioning to advanced tech requires substantial investment. So coming to the external factors, the first is regulatory compliance. It is like to adhering to industry regulations can be complex, and infrastructure limitations, where it is insufficient digital infrastructure can hinder the technological adoption. Findings from the review. So the first is adoption rate, and here increasing particularly in developing countries. So in simple terms, it is like the adoption of new technologies is increasing. So especially in developing countries, as businesses recognize the benefits of the digital transformation. And impact on the performance, so adoption has led to enhanced efficiency, improved resource management, and provided a competitive edge to the businesses. Critical factors, the key drivers of the adoption include support from top management, perceived risk, and the potential for cost savings. These factors significantly influence the decision to adopt new technology. The research gaps, so existing research gaps, limited focus on long term impacts, like current studies often overlook the long term effects of technology adoption on SMEs performance and sustainability. So need for comparative studies, like there is a lack of research comparison, like adoption trends and outcome across the different regions and industry sectors. And under explored post adoption challenges, it is the challenges faced by small and medium enterprises, like after the adoption of new technologies such as maintenance, scaling, and continuous improvement are not thoroughly examined. So coming to the conclusion and future research. So in conclusion, the cloud computing has a positive impact on the performance of small and medium enterprises, enhancing their efficiency and competitiveness. However, adoption barriers such as security concerns, high initial cost, and lack of IT expertise continue to pose challenges. Additionally, more in-depth studies are needed to understand the regional differences in adoption and performance impacts. So coming to the future work, it is focus on post-adoption phases, like where investigate the challenges and opportunities on small and medium enterprises which they face after the adopting cloud technologies such as scaling, maintenance, and long-term benefits. And the second is developing strategies, where they explore strategies to help small and medium enterprises overcome technical and organizational barriers, ensuring smoother transition and sustainable growth. Thank you guys for watching.